Welcome to Leisha Today. So today I want to go over with you guys some of the projects I've made with my xTool S1 for Halloween. If you guys are interested, then stay tuned. Welcome to Leisha Today. So today I'm going to go over with you guys some of the projects I've done with my xTool S1. This is going to be Halloween edition since Halloween is coming up. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick some of the projects you can make, and I also have tutorials on how to make these and or the files if you guys want to try to make these yourself. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this one. This is one of my recent ones. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll link at the end of the video a what do you call it? A playlist of all of the Halloween projects that I've done. Okay, so this one is just a lantern. You can purchase this file from my shop, and this is one that you could just make using regular copy paper. And so you can open this door, so you can put your tea light in here. So there's that one. And this one is another version. This one is all wood panels, and this one is unique because these are interchangeable panels, so you can take the panels off and replace them with different type of panels. And I'll link a video also at the end to show you guys this project as well. This one, these are two different versions of these ones are two different versions of a kind of like a Christmas wreath, but in this case it's like a Halloween wreath. And this one is made with all basswood plywood. So these are cute little ideas you can put like throughout your house for decorations or on your door. And this one is a interchangeable sign. So same thing with this one, kind of like that lantern there. You can change out the pieces. So if you want it to be different holidays like Christmas or Valentine's Day. So this is just like a welcome sign you could put on your door or put somewhere throughout your house. Alright, so this one is the interchangeable welcome sign. So I just wanted to show you guys with this one, you can change it to the different holidays. Alright, so we have the one where you can make it a Valentine's Day one. Alright, Alright, so that's interchangeable, so you can have it be a Valentine's Day. And another version I have of it would be the Christmas one. And like I said, you guys can look for the tutorial on my channel. I'll also link it so that you guys are able to make your own. So if you don't like this design, you can create different designs for different holidays like St. Patrick's Day and stuff like that. So this one would be a Christmas one. Something else you can do is you can also laser engrave on canvases. So these are panel canvases. So I just painted them black and I put different layers underneath. And so you can just make Halloween decorations like these. And I thought these came out really good. So if you guys are wondering if you can make projects with cast acrylic, you can. And this one actually has white cast acrylic, green, and black. And I just layered this one, so this can also be like a little decoration you can do as well. This is just the same version of this type of lantern, but it's not two-tiered, it's just the one tier. So like I said, I'll make another video to go into more detail about those type of lanterns. And this one is kind of like a lantern too, but this one is more like a light box. And this is just layered wood inside of here to make this type of effect on it. So I have, I think, at least 3 different layers on this. And like I said, there's a tutorial and a video if you want to make something like this as well. Alright, and then this is just like a cute little decoration you can just put up around the house or like outside on your porch. And this one is just like a little Halloween coffin. This is all Halloween coffin. This is also layered with basswood plywood. This one has 5 layers. So this can be like a 3D type of Halloween decoration that you can make, and it's small, and you can just make everything, all of these, the size that you want. I just make these smaller. And this one doesn't have the backing on it, but however, this is a frame. You can also make a Halloween frame if you want to take a picture of your kids for Halloween and you want to put the year. So like you can keep track of your Halloween costumes every year. You can have a cute little frame that you can make. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys would like to see some tutorials on how to make any of these different type of Halloween decorations for Halloween, if you would like to see any of the tutorials, then look through my channel or click the link at the end of my video that has the playlist. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.